Have you ever wondered how rebates work? It is more than just a discount at the register. Let us break down the mechanics. At its core, a rebate is a partial refund returned to you after you have already paid the full purchase price. Surprisingly, many people never actually claim their money. Companies often count on that behavior when they set up these promotions. The process requires effort. You must track your documentation and follow the submission deadlines to ensure you get paid back. Unlike an instant discount, a rebate happens after the transaction. It is a form of deferred incentive that requires active participation. The time it takes to receive your money varies significantly depending on whether the company uses digital or traditional mail-in systems. The golden rule of rebates is to act fast. If you wait, the odds of missing your deadline grow with every passing day. Keep your receipts and set a calendar reminder. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more simple money tips.